Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to change signature in Microsoft Outlook. So if you want to change your signature in Microsoft Outlook, so what you have to do, first you have to log in your account. If you are using it in app, you can open your app and follow the procedure. Procedure is same. So what you have to do, first here you will see setting option. Okay, now click on the setting options, and here you will see four options: general, email, calendar and people. Okay, so you have to click on email option, and here you will see many options, but you have to just click on this compose reply option. Okay, compose and reply option, just click on it, and here you will see your signature. Okay, so if you want to add a new signature you can add, but if you want to delete this one and change it, so just click on this delete option and click on save. Okay, now you can add a new signature. Okay, here signature name. Okay, now here whatever you want to write here, type here like this and just click on save. Okay, so like this you can change signature in Microsoft Outlook. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thank